The dead body of 9-year-old girl Anisha Ingtipi was found on Friday after 1 week near Deigrum River by village search team. Following this, a pall of gloom descended on the family of the 9-year-old girl. Two minor girls who were friends went missing together on 28th of August, out of which 11-year-old girl Sobita Hansepi was found dead on the next day inside bamboo grove with injury marks. Here is a report. The dead body of Anisha was found between 11:30 to 12 p.m. on Friday on a dead and hollow tree near the Deigrum River by villagers numbering more than 100. The local police were then immediately informed to retrieve body of the minor girl from the spot. Following this, a pall of gloom descended on the family of San Ingti, an entire resident of the Lokhiram Rongpar and adjoining villages in the Upper Deigrum area. While speaking to reporters, locals of Upper Deigrum area comprising of several villages have demanded the district administration for immediate identification of anyone involved in the death of the two minor girls and proper investigation to award them exemplary punishment to ensure nobody will ever commit any heinous crimes against anyone.
Bangso puthak jituili tumamuso Sobitan sepe lapen Anisa Ingtipi alang itu kititang na bangso kiduk kisung aputhak netum rong arap pen same law and order mate police atumapan same labangso ke pathi vek orlang no ke claim vek abang phu atumapan arsik jet pen alang itu same nanggiri piwek ya pansin itu rat pen chuning ridum lo
antela Anisa Ingtipi pan kita long sing nang tum mama
nili tum lo la to an vian lo la ke kiriya tum an
kon polo nan tum them long ka
ke long ke ikaro baro lom ma ek dui ta ta pun chiban da lo posi aport chiban the da lo
ko son pen si long long la
ke long mane ke long ke theng pi arong he long he
theng pi arong
lang kung long theng pi alo yok chok yo
theng pi ki thui lo
theng pi thu long ke
chok chok
lang the ma ke la so la ma ma ke atha ma ma ke oi lang lo ma thek long
Anisa Ingtipi loge charli bange a class bange chinde stame ke charli bange born area LP school
bore LP school charli the te la rengtik an ke alang pini telen mokha ki kan thek upsi arjulong la ko ana hok
tile na hin bange ni tum chini lo ka do ga be wrong source tame da buyar opening da pining men si a buyar da nge cheng nang lokhon han si bayar labang so market long stame alang li buyar opening ani ki kan mate alang li kilun ben stame alang li nong e chipalong dun lo.
Meanwhile, local police informed that the dead body of the 9-year-old girl would be sent for postmortem and further informed that the final report of 11-year girl whose dead body was found on August 29 is still awaited, but investigation in this case is continuing.
Since 29 pro ami bisari asulu along with gaw manu lot ba Lokhiram hanse gaw hok ba hanse gaw manu hok ami bisari asulu aji around 11:30 12 enega hobo hobo disile dead body to pani po hoise
postmortem kane loi jabon
etia postmortem loi jam
aru jitu Sumita Hanse pitar postmortem result kene ka ase
iteloge postmortem report to ahane
kete pabo sar eta
etu aro 2-3 din man lagibo etu amar superior officer ta mane kotha pati asu ami pai jam aro onkale pai jam.
Meanwhile, villagers told Karbin Life that the 11-year-old daughter of Dorsing Hanse was very talented and was a student of Bornirja LP school. It may be mentioned that both 11-year-old Sobita Hansepi and 9-year-old Anisha Ingtipi were friends and neighbors who had reportedly went for fishing on August 28 did not return home, after which their parents approached the police to file missing case. The dead body of the 11-year-old girl was found the next day, while the 9-year-old girl could not be traced until Friday after 1 week-long search. Residents of several villages under Deigrum area, students and other organizations along with the police personnel of Chokihola and Borpothar police stations had been involved in the search efforts which were carried out day and night, which were finally concluded on Friday after 1 week. Now, all eyes are on the district administration to see if they could make any breakthrough in the case and give justice to the families. Samson Ingtes report from Koilamati, Caribbean Long Live.